name is Pier Antonio Perabon. I am the Chief Operating Officer of Forgital Group since about 2 years. The company that now celebrates 150 years since the foundation is specialized in the forging of rings for different markets. It consists of 7 production sites and 2 laboratories. 4 production sites are here in Italy, 2 in France, and a production and distribution site in the United States. Additionally, we have 2 large R&D laboratories in Italy. The group has a turnover of about 400 million per year and specializes in the forging of special rings that are used in the aeronautical, aerospace, and industrial markets. Sustainability is at the heart of the group's projects. For this reason, we have chosen to install an e-power system in our Velodastico plant, with the intention of being increasingly green in our development policy and at the same time being able to cut some energy costs. Good morning. I am Simone Baio, and I am the energy manager of the company Forgital Italy. The production process is particularly energy intensive, especially with regard to the use of methane gas for heat treatment activities and for heating in forging. We also have an important use of electricity in general, but also for mechanical processing activities. From an electrical point of view, the plant absorbs about 8,200 kilowatt, which are distributed over 16 electrical cabinets. Recently, we have activated the collaboration with Energia Europa with the installation of the e-power device produced by them. In this specific case, we have identified a pilot installation at our cabin 4, a machine of 2,000 ampere that feeds loads of various kinds, in particular ovens, machine tools, and offices. The simulation showed a benefit of about 4%, which was then verified and certified during the testing and in the continuous operation of the machine during production. This benefit of 4% translates for us into a saving of about 130,000 kilowatt hours per year in the condition of full use of the plants. That corresponds to about 60 tons of CO2 emissions not released in the atmosphere. In addition, with regard to power quality, the situation was previously particularly disturbed due to the presence of motors powered by drives and inverters. On this front, we have seen a clear improvement in the waveform coming out of our e-power. Finally, it should be mentioned that training activity that Energia Europa organizes through the workshop at their offices, which in our case made it possible to learn in great depth the features of this innovative technology and the benefits that the machine would have given in the plant. This was also a fundamental element in the final decision to invest in e-power. As I said before, the positive experience has led us to decide for a second installation that will be implemented next August, a 1,000 ampere machine, for which is estimated again a saving of about 4%, and that this section of the plant means for us about 90,000 kilowatt hours per year. Looking ahead, the analysis will extend to additional cabins, both for the Velodastico plant and for the other plants of the Forgital Italy group.